Boom. I don't know if you can hear me. I think you can. But we're starting early because I got to get back to the markets. I think we're going to hit a peak of a day. We're going to come back down. So I want to do this, get back to that. And so I'm going to fast forward stuff. This show is edutainment. It stands for education, entertainment, not financial advice. Don't know your financial situation. Do your own research. And today, we're going to talk about this. So we're going to fast forward. Watch this. Bam! What up, social media world? My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8. 8 minutes starts right now. Boom. We were talking about Tesla, TSLA. It is part of the consumer discretionary, XLY, because I can. So people want to buy it, they can. If you're an investor, you need to come to the investor relations page, take a look at what the news is, and if you haven't heard, they had their annual general meeting. That's right there. You can listen to the webcast, but they're going to do a 3-to-1 stock split. So that means if the price is right now $900, it's going to be $300 to trade Tesla stock. So let's go take a look at a positional trader. If you're a positional trader and you're holding this, what does this mean? We had the highs of 1200, and now we are back down to back up to 900, as we can see. So it's had a nice little bottom of around 600, bounce back up to 900, which is great for all those people that are holding Tesla, and it's going to move back up. But look at this narrow candle here. If you're looking, it's probably ranging in the last little month, going up and down, up and down. Let's take a look at what the opportunities are for swing trading in there. For that, we're going to go to a daily chart, not a monthly chart. And we're going to use our Bollinger Bands. And as we can see, as I zoom in here, come on, there you go. As you can see, it has bottomed, and then now it's just in this nice little range as well. You can see our last Fibonacci was right here, hitting the highs of around 950, and then now retracing back down to 900. So as you can see, it is at the top end of our Bollinger Band, meaning it's overextended. Now it's starting to retrace. So let's see here. If you had wanted to take profits and you think that we are overextended, let me get my arrows here. Sure, let's just do a green one. Overextended, start taking your profits as it's starting to retrace. Also here, another reason why you want to know is it's oversold. Look, the RSI is too high. You notice that the colors change, the line changes color here, indicating oversold, 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 or sorry, overbought, overbought. So you want to dump it, and right now people are dumping it, as you can see. And with that said, we are still positive in strength, but you can see that it's gone from bright green to dark green, and these lines are still above the zero line, means there is still strength. So is this a pullback or is it a reversal? I think this is definitely a pullback, as the strength has been 1 push, 2 push, 3 push. You could get a 4 push, maybe even 5 to this again. Or we are hitting a top right here at 950, which is more what I'm thinking. So if this gets back up to 950, I would start taking your profits there, as you could get a little pullback and a run back up. Is it going to pierce 950? Whew, that's hard to say as well. But your next level would be around 1,000. So that's what I see with Tesla. But Tesla has been going up and down. This thing ranges, today it's ranging $30 up and down. So if you can trade that, you will make a wonderful day. So with that said, let's see what's going to move this stock. If we are looking at our earnings call, they had their general meeting, but they had their earnings July 20th. How did they do for us? We were expecting 1.81. They gave us 2.22. They gave us 2.27, which is great. Nice little upside for that. But for today, we have 208 earnings, as you can see over my head, 3 stock splits, and 82 economic events. Out of those 82 economic events, something that has already moved our needle this morning was non-farm payrolls. So I'm scrolling down right here. So payrolls, manufacturing payrolls, unemployment rate, payroll numbers as well. In Canada, we're looking at employment as well, participation rate. So lots of stuff reporting, government payrolls as well, IVPMI as well. So yeah, we've got lots of stuff that's reported already at 9:30, going to be at 9:30 Pacific time, 12:30 Eastern time. So you could see in the next hour and a half, we're going to have some swings and some movement, as well as we could see right here. We've had some movement with payrolls again in the States. So with that said, what is going to move the market today? We are trucking along here. Cybertruck. We got to go to our intraday and take a look. Wow, as we can see. So, like I called it right here, we got the highs of 940, didn't even get to 950. We're going to draw a Fibonacci from here, all the way down to today's low, 189.5. And so we are at the bottom range, or bottom end of our range for Tesla. And it is looking like it is going down. It's already down 3% for today. It can swing either way. It's amazing. So let's see here. You have your peaks of the day at 912, and then VWAP right now, volume weighted average, is at 904. I think we could see, test that again before moving down. But will it break this 89.5? Will it break that? There's a good chance it will break it. We've already hit our highs for the day, and I think we're going to move further down. So with that said, we're going to zoom out here. We're going to take a look further back if we can. Maybe even go back to one of our other charts, as we got 2 minutes here. Let's see here. Can it break? Yes. Where's a strong floor? We're taking a look at this. A strong floor. Wow. 80.50, 80.60, 80.79, 80.80 right here. So I would call this as a strong floor. Recent floor right about here. Let's just call it 880 right here. And if you look back, you can see in April, it also kind of floored up as well. So 880 is your strong floor. You can see a bounce off of that. Ooh, that hurt my finger. 880, you'd be looking at that probably. All right, everybody. So that's Tesla in a nutshell for you. This concludes this month. I know we went into August a little bit, but we will start up again looking at the second half of the year and all these stocks as well. So I'm going to roll the outro. Boom! Tesla, wonderful stock to trade. It moves around a lot. If you can catch the tops and the bottoms of that, you're making it. You're making some serious bank. All right, everybody. I think that's it. We got to get the kid off to daycare. I got to get back to these markets because I think we're moving here. You saw those downticks. Like I said, I think we just hit a day top on the way back down. So with that said, I'm just going to exit out here. Thank you for watching. Peace out.